All right, so for those of you who know us, know our brand P2R, we kind of specialize in the Honda J series motor, and we're going to be starting a whole new line now of specialty tools to help you do things on your motor a lot easier. So the first tool I wanted to introduce today is going to be this right here. This is going to be the oil pump or the crank main seal, not the rear main seal, but the front main seal. This tool is going to allow you to install that a lot easier. So I got here, I got the seal that goes in the oil pump. I got the new tool. Got a little bit of oil just to kind of wet the seal. And let me show you how this is put on, or how this works. So this is our crank, the oil pump. And you know, one of the things when you're installing these things, it's always tough trying to make sure you get this seal on properly, not getting it crooked or anything like that. So with this tool, you see it fits nice and snug, and it's going to slide, allow you to push that seal right in. So before I do that, let me get a little bit of oil. Just kind of wet the seal a little bit. Rub my finger up. Just make sure it slides in nice and easy. Get the seal in place. Pull it out just a little bit. All right. You're going to take the tool, slide it on, and you're going to get a nice rubber mallet. Hold the tool in place and just tap. The best part about the tool is once the tool bottoms out and you hear the noise that it bottomed out, it's done. It's installed perfectly flat, leveled, exactly to spec how Honda wanted it. Don't have to worry about getting the oil leak there. So when you're doing your timing belt, you want to install your seals real easy, this tool will make your job a lot easier.